What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT and we are back with another video. This time this video doesn't necessarily come in, we'll say, good terms. There's been a little bit of an issue. You thought low was low, so here we got the ISF. If you thought this was low, as you can see, even from here, this part got caught on the edge of something and pulled. But if you thought this was low, this is nothing compared to what we got to get into today. So first, I'm gonna start off by talking about how tall the vehicle is with the iLift system activated, not activated, regular riding height. So let's just go ahead and jump into that. So without the bumper, without the underguard protector, it's sitting right about 7 inches. I'm gonna check it lowered one more time here. While we're sitting here lowered, we're sitting at about, right at about 5 inches. All right, so we are locked and loaded. We're up in the air, and boom, there you have it. Complete underside. It just tore. So my guess is that the previous owner, you can see some spots here that obviously had been damaged before. So this time it caught on something and it just completely tore it out. Oh man, I'm even missing a bolt there. So yeah, this piece is gonna have to get repaired. So just FYI, you got the iLift system. You don't ride raised all the time. The air is gonna come out and you have to ride at regular height. So you just gotta be careful as you're going over things. Sometimes things you think are just a little dip in the road can severely create this issue, is what happened to me here. So we'll go ahead, we'll figure out what part we need to order. We'll get this ordered and we'll get this replaced and get them looking as good as new. Here we are at AcuraPartsWarehouse.com. You plug in your vehicle information. The part that we're looking for is going to be found under front fenders. It is going to be part number 8, and this is the splash shield assembly, part number 74110T6NA00. So here you can see the part itself and any bolts that are associated with that. What I have seen is, due to the cost of freight, this is definitely something that you're going to want to try to order at your local dealer if you ever have an issue, because the shipping fees are pretty astronomical. And so I'd recommend you check in with your local dealer for that. So if I just punch in here, you're gonna see how expensive that shipping cost is. So you're going to definitely want to order that from your local dealer. So that's the part number for anybody who has any issues with the splash shield getting damaged from either you bought it from a previous owner or you yourself damage it. There you have it. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.